Well, it's that time of year. Get your checks and balances in order. So, got my barrels flipped over. Water's out of them. Trying to get them to drain out some more before I clean them out real good. Put them away. Got the grass mowed. Took a I can't speak. I'm so tired. But I cut the grass. Get rid of all the leaves from the trees. I stuff them all into my flower beds. It helps me bring my dirt back up since I lost a lot of it. And it also adds nutrients. So it's the time of year to get it done and over with. Got my little animal repeller took into the house. Trying to get everything situated before it gets too cold, below freezing. So yeah, raised it up quite a bit. Hopefully I can get some dirt on top of this before long. I'll be ready for next year, add some nutrients into the soil. It'll help a lot, so I'll have better dirt for next year. Anyway, figured I'd show a little update what I've been doing.